Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ranjini. In today's video, we're going to be opening June Allure Beauty Box. So I got the box a couple days back in the mail. Let's see what are all the products in the box. I'm new to Allure Beauty Box. This is my first month. So it is one of the most affordable subscription boxes. It costs like $15 per month. But for the new members, we got a bonus like $5 off. So it is $10 for this month. So they claims that the box has the products that values from $50 to $90, and it has around 4 to 5 products. It has both full size and deluxe products. So it is curated by the Allure editors and some beauty experts. So this is how the box looks. So let's go ahead and look what's there in the box. Wow, it has this beautiful, chic and sleek neon pouch with all the products in there, and it has also like 2 more products out of the pouch, and I can see 3 pamphlets in there. Let me get into that first. So it is some kind of promotion, and yep, this is the pamphlet which has all the products in there and the value of the product. And I've also got a bobble bar gift card. Yeah, it is one among the stuff in the box. Bobble bar is an accessories brand. The value of this gift card is $20. I don't think I can get something for $20. At least I had to spend like 10 or 20 more bucks to buy one single item, and I should pay for shipping too. Yeah, so I don't know how does this works, and I'm not a big fan of accessories too. Okay, let me get into the pouch. It's neon color pouch. You guys all must have known by this time neon is a thing right now. And let me get into the products. So the first product, Moroccan Oil. It is a deluxe size product, that is a travel size or trial size, whatever. It is a silicone based oil which helps to tame flyaways and frizz from your hair. I think you can use it either in the damp hair or in the mornings that you wake up looking like an Einstein. So this oil helps to tame the frizz and flyaways. And the value of this original product is $44, and you can buy it from Sephora.com. But I don't know what is the value of this trial size product. They haven't mentioned it in the pamphlet. And the next product will be Aveen Thermal Spring Water. This is how the product looks. I don't know whether it is full size or travel size. Let me check. I think this is full size product. So what does this product do is, this is the hydrating facial mist. So it helps to soothe an irritated skin or sensitive skin. You can put this in your pouch or handbag, and whenever you feel so hotter out there, you can just grab this and give a couple of spritz. Your skin gets refreshed and your makeup gets refreshed. And this is very rich in minerals, so I think this helps to nourish your skin. Maybe I should try. And the value of this product is $18.50. So you can buy this from aveenusa.com. The promo code, they have given the promo code for this product too if you're buying. So you can, the promo code will be Allure20. Whenever you check out, you add Allure20 and you get 20% off on your entire order. The next product will be Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. This is the lip gloss, you guys. So they claim that the formula of this product is so thin and it's lightweight, and it doesn't feel a sticky mess whenever you apply. So, and it's in a tube, I guess. Let me open it for you. Wow, that's a cute color. Yeah, it's in a tube. Nothing much fancy, very simple, and I think it's easy to use. So if it is a squeeze tube, then it will be kind of messy. Wow. It's a clear lip gloss, so you can apply it on any lipstick you wear. The value of this product is 16 bucks and you can buy it from flosscosmetics.com. So the promo code for this one is Allure15. Whenever you shop, you can apply the code Allure15 at the checkout and you will receive 15% off on your entire order. And this offer is valid through May 25, 2019 to September 30, 2019. So we're already in month of June. So it's valid until September 30, 2019. And the next product will be Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. This is the product, but something has happened. I received this box 2 days ago in my mail and I was so excited to open. And when I opened, I see the seal of this product is broken. I was quite disappointed. It was broken and I saw the product all over the tube, and I was quite hesitant to try this because it doesn't feel hygiene. I feel someone has used it, so I let the team know and they are helping me sort this. I sent a mail to Allure team and I got a response. I guess I got a response yesterday. That was a quick response though. They sent mail apologizing and they told me they are sending a new product that is a replacement product for this one. So the value of this product is $35. I think this is the expensive product among all. Yeah, and it is a full size product. Yeah, it is a full size product. What does this product do is it gives slightly cooling sensation and it helps as a midday touch-ups. So it can be used over your concealer. It has vitamin C and E in it, so it helps brightening and depuffing your eyes. So it is rich in antioxidant that guards against pigmentation and it helps the collagen breakdown. And the next product will be SGX NYC, the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Yeah, it is a dry shampoo. I love dry shampoo. I'm lazy to wash my hair every day. It helps to absorb the oil and it helps for that soft hold. It gives that instant freshness and full of texture to your hair. I think this is all. Nothing much to say about this product, and the value of this product is they haven't mentioned. Cool. And I don't think, no, this is not a full size product. It is a deluxe size product, so you can take it whenever you travel. The Brow Girl Eyebrow Pencil. I don't think this product looks, this product is kind of old school. This is a pencil in the shade medium brown. I don't think I use medium brown. Maybe I'll try. Maybe I think I can use this for touch-up. I don't think I'll like this product because the tip is sharp now, but whenever I try to sharpen it again, the tip doesn't get sharp like this. So it gets blend and it doesn't give that precise look to your brows. I think this product is a flop. And the value of this product is 23 bucks. Oh my god, I think I can buy an Anastasia brow wiz for this price. Oh, there was also a new member gift. So they sent me CO Glow Vitamin C plus Turmeric Face Oil. This is the main reason for me to shop this entire box. The value of this product is 40 bucks and it helps to hydrate and brighten up your skin. It has the vitamin C and turmeric in it. Sunday Riley is one of the high-end skincare brand, and actually they have mentioned they're gonna send a full-size product, but all I received is this. The full-size product is, I guess it's 30 ml, and the value of that product is around 85 bucks or something. But I think this should be more than enough for me to try. So let's calculate the value of entire box. The new member promotion, I've received $5 off, so I paid only $10. And first, the value of the brow pencil is 23 bucks. Plus, I didn't know the value of the Moroccan oil, so I'm gonna skip that. And the Wien thermal water is $18.50, and the gloss value is 16 bucks, and vitamin C day cream is 35 bucks, and they haven't mentioned the value of dry shampoo too. $20 worth of bubble bar gift card, and yes, the CEO Glow, the value of this products, yeah, 40 bucks. So the value of this entire box is $152. I think it's worth it, but the product I didn't like in this box is definitely the brow pencil and the eye cream. Like, I didn't like in the sense it's not hygiene to try it out. If they send me the replacement, I think I'll try, but for now I don't want this product. So rest of all is good. Yeah, that'll be all for today. If you liked this video, please make sure to give a thumbs up. It makes me better every time. And if you have any suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you wanted to sign up for the Allure Beauty Box, or if you want to check out what it is, I'll leave the link down below in the description box. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. So I'll meet you soon with a brand new video. Until then, bye. Thanks for watching.